Hey PLTW Engineering, I just want to go over real quick with you to make sure that you all were able to register your account. So you're going to go to pltw.org. It's here in the address bar, pltw.org. And then over here, it looks like it's grayed out, but go ahead and click on login on the top right corner. It's running slow. All right, so you're going to create a student account. So click on create student account down here. Okay, you're gonna type in just type in your first name, okay? Birthday, just type in, make sure you put in your birthday there. I'm just gonna put in my son's birthday. And then you're going to put your student ID email here, your student school email here. So I'm going to use my Alvin one. Okay. So username, can you guys use your student ID number? That way it's consistent with how you log into the computer every day. So use your student ID. And then a password you need to type in, it has to have at least 6 characters, uppercase, lowercase, at least one number, at least one special characters, and it gives you the examples here. Use any of those, so just okay, so I created mine. All right, so it says you did it. We're going to click on log into my PLTW. So I'm going to log in. I'm going to go ahead and click on remember me. You don't have to, but I am. So I'm going to log in. And then you're going to join a new class. So if you guys are in my IED class, I've given you the code on that. If you guys are in my CEA class, you'll have a code for that as well. So once you join the code or you enter the code, it's going to be waiting. So you need to make sure that once you enter the code, sorry, I lost my train of thought there. Once you enter the code, you're going to see it's going to show in a red box that it's waiting approval. I have to approve it. So you have to wait for me to approve it, and then I'll approve it. Okay? Hope this helps.